first we will moisturize. I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge. I really like this moisturizer because it's water based, it's not very sticky, and it's perfect, before the makeup, and it gives you like 24 hours hydration. So I'm just going to apply. Then comes foundation. For foundation, for my natural everyday look, where I want to make it look like I am wearing makeup, but I'm not wearing makeup, I like to go with the Lakme Absolute Illuminating Foundation. It's quite an old foundation, it's not new in market, but I really like it because so I'll just dab some of it over the moisturized face. Usually when I'm doing makeup by myself on my face, I usually just use my, should I go a little further away? Yeah, I think this is a better view for you guys. For my concealer, I'm using this concealer I found in Europe, UK. It's a very big brand called Rimmel. I usually use Rimmel's mascaras. I really like them. So this time I picked up this product. It's the Rimmel Long Lasting Concealer. What I really liked about this is because it says that it has an illuminating effect. That means there is a little shine and that glow in your concealer, which usually our concealers don't have. So that's one of the reasons why I picked this up, because I want to try it out. So just going to apply the concealer. As we're going for a very natural corporate office, college, look, if you can color correct, that would be nice, because, the amount of concealer you apply will be lesser if you just color correct before. For that, check out my color correcting videos and just apply it. And I'm just going to blend this in using my fingers. So it gives a nice shine that I like. And also making it look more natural and not very cakey. So my base is all done. I've set it with a makeup fixer, but I would still need to powder it. So I'm just going to go in with my translucent powder. Set my under eyes. This will ensure that your concealer does not move and is on for the hours you're in college or at work. For eyebrows also, I will go very natural and I'll just use a brow tint. There are a lot of different brow tints available in market. Brow tints are basically like mascara but for your eyebrows with a little color in them. So I'm just going to brush them for a very natural look. Like, now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Just brush them. For my highlighter, I am again using the Benefit WhatsApp. Yeah, it's a very nice natural highlighter, but for fairer skin tones, I think. For olive skin tones, pick up highlighters that are more gold, like that have a more gold base. So I'm just going to apply the highlighter on my cheekbones. Yeah. Keeping it very natural. Don't overdo it, because you're in college and at work. You don't want to look like. So for what I do is I take my beauty blender, fixer, just do this, and just dab it on, because I just want a glow. I don't want a pop of highlighter. Contour, I'm using my Hoola contour. I love this product because it's very natural. So just very little. Like, I'm doing 30% less makeup than what I would do for a party. because you're at work or not. And I am using my beauty blender. I'm just going to blend this. Just to make sure that my face looks defined. I'm not looking to like pop those cheekbones out, but I don't want my face to look blank because I've applied base. So just to get some shadow back, I'm contouring. Next comes in your blush. Usually blush is an issue. I know people who say our blushes don't stay, our lipsticks don't stay. I have a trick for you. To make your blushes stay longer, there's a trick. You need a cheek tint. I'm using the Benefit cheek tint, a pop of color. So it's called Go-Go tint. So you'll need a cheek tint and your powdered blush or your cream blush, whatever blush you pick. Little on the apple of my cheeks and just blend it. Just blend it really well. Apply it on my lips. And on top of this, I will add my powdered blush or my cream blush. So what this does is tint, you've already got the tint. Tint gets into your skin. And on top of that, I'm going to conceal it with my blush. See, I don't know if you all can see. Let me check. Yes, I think you can see it better from this angle. The color wasn't visible from there, but just showing you the color because I would want you to see it. So I've done a very natural color. I don't want it looking too much. So yeah. So guys, now the tint that I applied on my lips, this tint stays really long. I'm going to top this up with a very natural lip color. Apply the lip color. You can see the cheek tint. And yes, we're done. Just apply some mascara, not too much mascara, and this can be a perfect office college look. The techniques that I showed you is to apply the tint before and then the powder and fix a fixer after your base will ensure that your makeup stays on longer. And yeah, so this was my trick and tip for you. You let me know if there is more you would like to know, or this phone needs to get back, or there's something more I can show you. But for now, we're good to go. And yeah.